Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the top 5 must-have travel gadgets to make your trips absolutely hassle-free. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend wanderer, these gadgets are going to change the way you travel. First up, the Universal Travel Adapter. Don't get stuck with dead devices in a foreign country. This little gadget works in over 150 countries, keeping your devices charged and ready for Instagram-worthy snaps. Next, we have noise-cancelling headphones. Long flights can be a nightmare with all that background noise. Pop these on and you'll feel like you're in your own serene bubble. Perfect for catching some Z's or binging your favorite shows. For the tech-savvy, a portable charger is a must. With this powerhouse in your bag, you'll never run out of battery while navigating new cities or capturing those perfect travel moments. Number 4, the RFID blocking wallet. Protect your personal information from digital pickpockets. It's sleek, stylish, and gives you peace of mind while you explore. Finally, packing cubes. They're a game changer for keeping your luggage organized. No more digging through a messy suitcase to find your essentials. So, there you have it, 5 gadgets that will take your travel game to the next level. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Happy travels. Happy.